Hey everybody, we're here to do a quick unboxing on this AMD A series processor. This will be a pretty short video, just going to take a look at really what comes in the box and this type of specific processor here. So this is the A10-5800K. This is a quad-core processor, 4.2 GHz max turbo, then a 3.8 GHz base. See, right here is the processor itself. And also below, I'll show you some of the compatible dual graphics combinations. So if you want to combine a video card with this, you can use the HD 6670, the 6570, and the 6450, depending upon the type of processor. You have the A10, the A8, or the A6. This particular processor, the A10, is a 6670 or a 6570 combination. So really what comes in this is the processor itself. It's a socket FM2. It also includes the heatsink as well. We'll go ahead and take a look at the heatsink and the processor itself. So right here is the processor. It's a little bit different than the i7 Intel processor in my earlier videos. This one has pins at the bottom. It still has the triangle or the arrow pointing at the direction which you install the processor on the motherboard. We'll talk about that during the installation. That video will be down in the description of this video as well. So here's the processor itself. You have the thermal paste on the processor already, so be careful not to put your thumb on it or really mess anything up. Just a small instructional booklet on the processor as well. We don't want to mess with the thermal paste. Pretty basic heatsink that it comes with. You can see that it has the power cable that you'll plug into the motherboard for the fan socket, and then this will slide back and forth and attach it on top of the connector that's on the motherboard itself. So if you want to watch the installation video, go ahead and look that up in the description down below. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those for you. As always, I appreciate you watching the video.